back to my channel, The Baking Diva. And if you're new here, my name is Dolores, and welcome. Well, you know, if you follow me, that I make all kinds of both sweet and savory desserts. And a while back, I started incorporating some Weight Watcher desserts in with my channel. Not that I had to lose that much weight, it was just for health reasons. A couple of my numbers were a little bit high when I had my blood work done. So I thought, why not? I'll go on Weight Watchers and I'll see if it helps. And I'm happy to say that I've lost 10 pounds, and I saw my doctor recently and had my blood work done, and he's very pleased. So he said, stick with what you're doing. So don't get me wrong, I eat a little bit of all the desserts I make, and I make them for my family. But, you know, I limit the amount I eat, and of course portion control is very important. So today I'm going to make for you another Weight Watcher muffin. I'm kind of addicted to these muffins because the points are so low, and when I get a craving, I'll just grab one of them. Sometimes I might grab two, or I'll have them for breakfast in the morning, or in the evening when I want a cup of tea and I'm watching TV, they hit the spot. So, what do you say we get going? Let's get going. So first of all, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. I will put the recipe in the description box for you. You just have to click on where it says more. So I have a bowl here. Now, I'm addicted to these Kodiak baking mixes, and the one we're using today is the dark chocolate one. They have quite a few different kinds. But for this recipe, since we are making chocolate chip strawberry muffins, we're going to use the dark chocolate. So in my bowl, I'm going to put 1 1/2 cups of that in here. Now to that, I'm going to add 2 of the containers. You know, this size container. These containers are actually a 1/2 cup, but I'm not using regular unsweetened applesauce. I'm using the strawberry unsweetened applesauce. So I'm going to put 2 containers of them in here, which is actually 2 1/2 cups, which is a cup of the unsweetened strawberry flavored applesauce. Now I have mashed up a ripe banana. I'm going to put that in for you. Very easy to make. Now I'm going to add to that a 1/2 cup of water. All right. And we don't need an electric mixer. I'm going to mix all of this around till we have a nice batter. So I have found Weight Watchers to be wonderful. I mean, they don't know me from Adam. And this is certainly not any kind of a sponsored video, but I love it because you don't have to go to meetings if you don't want to. I just downloaded the app on my phone and also on my iPad. They had a special when I downloaded it. So I downloaded it for 3 months, and you could just go on there and plug in a food and it'll tell you how many points it is. Or if you go to the store, what I love about it is the barcodes on the food. You just put your phone next to the barcode and the food comes up and it tells you how many points it is. So it's so easy. All right. So I'm going to get this all mixed up. These muffins, if I haven't already told you, are 2 points each. Now that's not bad at all. Oh, and look at that batter, how nice and rich and chocolatey it is. So to that, I am also going to add, now the recipe calls for, let me just look. It calls for 15 grams of the mini chocolate chip morsels. And I found that the 15 grams is a little shy of 1/4 cup. So once I get this mixed, I'm going to fold in those mini chocolate chips. It smells chocolatey. And I like that. All right. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold in my little mini chocolate chips. So let me get those in there. Now you're going to need, obviously, a muffin tin. So I have one here that I have lined with my silicone cups. I love using the silicone. Nothing sticks to it. They're easy to clean. The paper ones I'm not a fan of because some of these recipes, the batter, like after you bake them, the cake sticks to the sides of the pan and it's a pain to get them off and you're wasting some of your muffin. So I would say if you don't have the silicone liners, get them or spray your pan very well, but I'm not a fan of these paper liners in there. All right, so this looks really good. So what I like to do is I like to use my ice cream scoop to put the batter in. So I'm going to do that now. It's neat and you get just the right amount in there. And then once I get all of these filled up, I'm going to put them in my 350 degree preheated oven for about 20 minutes. And you can check them with a toothpick in the center to make sure they're done. So let me finish filling these up, get them in the oven, and when they come out, I'll be here to join you and we will do a taste testing. I mean, think about it. Luscious chocolate chip strawberry muffins for 2 Weight Watcher points. Can't go wrong. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. As you can see, these muffins came out beautiful. The recipe does yield 12 muffins, and they are just so chocolatey, moist, and delicious. So I'm going to do a taste testing for you. I mean, really, look at these things. How could you not want one of these for 2 Weight Watcher points? And if you're really having a craving, have 2 of them for 4 Weight Watcher points, as long as you count them in. So, oh my goodness, these are still warm. I'll put a close-up in for you and the recipe. Look at these. Oh my goodness. All right, let me break this in half. The little chips are in there. I can see they're very moist. Let me give this a bite. These are delicious. You don't taste a lot of strawberry in here. Actually, very little. But they're really delicious. I think these are my favorite chocolate Weight Watcher muffins that I've made so far. Very good. Definitely give these a try. I'll have the recipe down below for you. Oh, they're so good. I like the ones that are moist inside rather than the dry ones. So, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I do have all kinds of recipes on there. Sweet and savory, Weight Watcher, low carb, keto, and regular. So, hit that little bell down below and that's it. You'll be a subscriber. You won't miss the new videos I have coming up. So anyway, I'm going to finish my muffin. I want to thank all of you for stopping by and spending some time with me. I really appreciate it. It means a lot. Love you all, and I'll see you again soon. Toodles!